Assalamu alaikum students, this is Shamima Akhtar, your English teacher. Welcome to my class. In English first paper, among the other topics, graphs and charts is an important one. And it's a descriptive paragraph. So to score a good mark here, you have to know how to describe the paragraph properly. In today's class, I will try to explain that to you. First, let us see the different types of graphs and charts. In the first figure here, you see it looks like a pie. This chart is known as the pie chart. In the second figure, you see some bird-like figures. So this graph is called the bar graph. And in the third one, some lines are going up and down. So this is the line graph. In your text, mostly pie chart and bar graph are discussed. Okay, now I will explain the writing of the description of a graph with the example of a bar graph. You have already known that this is known as the bar graph, as the information is indicated by some bar-like figures. To describe a graph or a chart, you should divide the writing in 4 parts. You should divide the writing in 4 parts. In the first part, you write the introduction. The first part of your writing, you write the introduction. That is the main gist. What is mentioned in the question, that is what you write in the introduction in 1 or 2 sentences. Nothing more than that. In the second part, it is the main trend. Here you write what pattern or what is the bugs indicating the important and the least important thing that is mentioned in the graph. That is what you write. Here also you do not write more than 1 or 2 sentences. In the main trend, you sum up the sum of the information that is given in the, or some of the pattern that is shown in the graph. যে প্যাটার্নটা এখানে শো করা হচ্ছে সেটা তুমি একদম সংক্ষেপে 1 বা 2 সেন্টেন্সে মেনশন করবে. In the third part, this is the main part of your description. Here you write the detailed description, or if the bar is about comparison, if it is comparing in some information, then you write the comparison, or if it is an analysis, then you write the detailed analysis or explanation. Okay, but remember, always write the information. There will be some highest points and some lowest points, highest percentage and the lowest percentage will be mentioned in the question. So you at first write the highest percentage and then you write the lowest percentage. Okay, so this is the most detailed part of your paragraph. Here most of the sentences are written here. বেশিরভাগ সেন্টেন্সই তোমাকে এখানে লিখতে হবে. ডিটেইল যা যা এখানে বলা হয়েছে, কোশ্চেনে যা যা ইনফরমেশন দেওয়া হচ্ছে সেটা every little detail you have to explain here. And the third part is the conclusion that gives you writing a nice ending. তুমি যদি একদম লাস্টে এক কথায় sum up করে একটা concluding line লিখে দাও, that will give your writing a nice ending. Okay, you have to remember that while describing the graph, you cannot include your own opinion or suggestion or interpretation of the given information. তুমি তোমার নিজস্ব কোনো opinion বা interpretation এখানে লিখতে পারবে না. Do not include or add any extra information. যে ইনফরমেশনটা তোমার কোশ্চেনে দেয়া নাই বা এই গ্রাফে শো করা নাই, you cannot include that information. And do not repeat the words in the question. কোশ্চেনে কিছু ওয়ার্ডস দিয়ে কোশ্চেনটা সাজানো হয়েছে, we'll try not to repeat the words that are written in the question. যেই ওয়ার্ডগুলোকে কোশ্চেনে ইউজ করা হয়েছে সেগুলোকে আমরা চেষ্টা করব যেন আমাদের ডিসক্রিপশনের মধ্যে না লিখতে হয়. I will explain it in the next slide. Okay, so from this you know that to describe a paragraph you should divide it in 4 parts: the introduction and the main trend or the main pattern, the detailed description, and at last the conclusion. Okay, now I'll explain it to you with a question. The question will be given to you like this with the figure of the graph. Okay, I will explain it to you in the next slide.